Can you hear me now?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. So today's video is going to be a no heat blowout kind of video. So I've mentioned before in a previous video that this year my main hair goal is to not use heat on my hair. So I'm going to be trying out a variety of different ways to stretch my hair and get it as stretched as possible without using heat. And today I have chosen to use the African threading method. So for people that don't know, this method is literally, I'm using thread. This is, I don't know if it's specialised for hair, I don't know, but this is what my mum uses anyway, or used to use on my hair when doing this method when I was younger. So this is what I'm going to be using to stretch my hair. Yeah, and I'll just be showing you how I'm doing it and the process and everything. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I washed and detangled my hair last night, so yeah, let's get into it. Just going to be taking out the twist. Just combing, then going in with my Denman Brush. Coconut oil and shea butter mix, brought from Ghana, literally. And I'm just going to be, this is going to be the only product that I'm using, because really and truly this was the only product my mum used back in the day. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, the thread is quite thin, so I'm just going to take a bit off, and then I'm going to double it, maybe even triple it. Does that make sense? So as you can see, it's a lot thicker because I've just gone around it, so the strands are thicker. So I'm just going to start by grabbing my hair like so, and then I get a piece and just place it on. Went back up again, and then I tied it, but it looks messy because obviously I doubled it, but yeah, it's secured. You can see already how much it's stretched from when I've brushed my hair, but anyway, on to the next. Finally finished. It took so long. I think, okay, I have a few cons for this method. First of all, it's not really like, I don't know if it's the thread that I'm using or doing the method wrong or what, but it's a bit puffy over here, like it's not, maybe it's just me, but obviously it's my first time doing it by myself. So if I continue to do it, I will get better at it. I'm just not feeling what it looks like right now, but that's not the point. The point is that it stretches my hair, so I'm going to sleep with it and then show you what it looks like in the morning. So guys, it's the morning after I slept with a headscarf on, so I'm just going to take it off. Yeah, I'm just going to start taking it off and then brushing it through. It should be easy. I should just be able to unravel the ends and then it's coming off. Yep. First one done. So pro of this method is that it untangles really quick. But con is it takes too long to do.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time clicking to watch,
it's definitely stretched. So this method works. I'm gonna comb it. Brush it as well. Yeah. I'll definitely say detangle before as well, guys, because that helped a lot. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel that. Guys, this is the final look. This is amazing. It looks like I've actually blow dried my hair. Amazing. To think I got this without heat. I think the only difference is when I blow dry my hair, obviously with a blow dryer, it goes down like this and this is like more out as in an afro, but it's still really stretched. It's still like got full volume, and yeah, I really like it. I think it turned out really good. Okay, so tips I would give you: firstly, definitely detangle before you go ahead and use the African threading method. Secondly, make sure that the thread you're using is either doubled up or thick. Thirdly, have time to do it because it takes a while. Like, it's not a quick method, but it is quick taking it out, so you can take it out in the morning before work or uni or whatever. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was very informative and I hope it helped you. If you end up using this method, make sure you comment down below how it turned out and your results. Make sure you like and subscribe also, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.